Awesome, best of the best, custom-built log home, one owner, a must-see, main level master suite as well as one on lower level, super home for entertaining, wrap huge decking west/outside fireplace, most rooms have the lake view, a cook's dream kitchen offering center island/bar, copper sinks, solid surface counter in kitchen and baths and auto close drawers, KitchenAid appliances, wood front refrigerator, geothermal heat for energy efficiency, master bath provides heated tile floor, tile shower, solid surface counter, Whirlpool tub, ornate custom wood stairway, rocking chair front porch, drive near home features inlaid block stone, approx 208 of water frontage, on Cove for quiet enjoyment. Soaring fireplace entend to second level. Septic is Avantec inspected once a year. Beautiful flooring from Georgia in main parts of home, solid wood doors.